friends talked me into this.
Do you ever feel like a plastic bag drifting through the wind, wanting to start again? Do you ever feel this a paper thin, like a house of cards, one broken caving in? Do you ever feel already buried deep, 6 feet under screens and no one seems to hear a thing? Do you know that there's still a chance for you? There's a spot for you. You just gotta ignite the light and let it shine. Just on the night, like a 4th of July. Baby, you're a firework. Come and show your work. Make it go. And you should have come to stay. Baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burn. Make it go. You're gonna leave it running down. You don't have to feel like a wasted space. You're original, cannot be replaced. If you only knew